If you ever put an outfit together and thought, why this doesn't look right, even though the clothes are nice, everything matches, it should work, but it doesn't work. Here's the truth. It's not our clothes. It is small mistakes that you probably don't notice. And once you see them, you can fix your entirely style instantly. So in this video, I'm gonna break down 10 reasons why your outfits don't look good using my 3E method that I've been talking about: ease, expression, and elevation. Hola, hola, hi, I am Ana True. I'm a costume designer and personal stylist. I love to help women around the world being more intentional and conscious about their personal style and find it as a tool for self-love and feel good every single day. Let's jump right away in the video. Every good outfit needs 3 things: ease, and that translates to comfort and fit; expression, because that is your identity; and elevation, that is intention. You feel empowered, good, you feel put together and happy to be wearing that clothes. If one is missing, the outfit feels off. So let's break down the mistakes. Mistake number 1, obsessing about the right size. You think, I need my size, right? But the truth is that size is pretty much inconsistent everywhere. Instead of asking, is this my size? Ask yourself, does it feel good in my body? If it's too tight, too stiff, too restrictive, you instantly lose ease. Mistake number 2, wearing the wrong undergarments. And this is one of the biggest hidden problems, I will say, because wrong undergarments can ruin the fit, show through clothes, make outfits look messy. And the fix here is to choose seamless, comfortable, invisible pieces, because the foundation creates the outfit. And don't get me wrong, if you're being intentional about your undergarments, like a very nice bralette or a top, go for it. But if you are wearing a tank top and I can see your bra, that instantly will ruin right away. Or even worse, the t-shirt is white and the bra is black or in a very dark color that I can see it. That is distraction. We don't want that. Mistake number 3, not tailoring your clothes. Hear me out. Even the most expensive clothes can look bad if they don't fit properly. Just a small adjusting, like hemming your pants, adjusting the waist, fixing the length, that can make a huge difference, and it can make even the cheapest pants or blazer like amazingly good on you, and that instantly elevate your look. Mistake number 4, forgetting about shoes. People focus on outfits and usually forget about the shoes. Your outfit will be great, but the wrong shoes will disconnect the entire look. And here I'm talking about comfort, of course, but style, color, what is the intention? Mistake number 5, neglecting maintenance. Wrinkled clothes, lint, worn out fabrics instantly lower your look. And how do we fix it? We steam our clothes, we had a lint roll that we use, and we keep everything clean. This is elevation, and it makes a massive difference. I have another video that I'm gonna link down below talking about these items. Those are small little luxury items that elevate your everyday life. Mistake number 6, following trends too much. Trends are everywhere, and me as a costume designer and as a fashion girl, I love them. They are a guide, but those are not a rule, and no, every single trend applies for me or for you, and it doesn't mean I need to follow them or you need to follow them. When you follow all of them, you just lose your identity. Instead of copying trends, do this instead. Filter them through your style. If you like lace, maybe try to integrate them in some of your shirts or skirts, or maybe in a pashmina, something. But don't just go and buy everything lace because it's trendy, because trust me, fashion, it's a cycle and it will go away, and that will be wasted money that you just use once or maybe never. That is expression. Adapting trends or things that you see that you like, that you want to incorporate into your identity, but not copying the whole runway show, the Pinterest, the influencer, and the magazine. Mistake number 7, shopping without a plan. Impulse buying leads to random pieces, nothing matching, wasted money, disaster causing your wardrobe. Before buying something, ask if it goes with some of your pieces in your closet that already exists. Can I style it 3 ways at least? If not, do not buy. Do not buy. Mistake number 8, copying others. Just because it looks good on someone else doesn't mean it works for you. You probably have different undertones, different lifestyle, different body, different energy, everything. And copying someone else just leads to being disconnected. If you like something, maybe save it in a Pinterest board and again, adapt to your lifestyle, your undertones, your body type, your everything, your lifestyle. Mistake number 9, and this one is tricky, accessories. Accessories are super powerful, but too many can be overwhelming and too little or a few can feel a little bit flat. So I will create a little list of just a few pieces that work again for your undertone. So if you are a warm person, use more gold. If you're cold, use more silver. If you're neutral, you can play around those colors. Same for your bags, your scarves, everything that you can call accessories. Just be very intentional about those and create them. Balance is key and just add intention to every single piece. Mistake number 10, ignoring completely your color palette. Color change everything, and the wrong color can wash you out, make outfits feel off, and the right colors can elevate you right away and elevate that outfit that you're wearing right away. I will link down below my video about color and another resources that I think it would be super helpful for you to find your right colors. And that's all. Those are the 10 mistakes. If your outfit doesn't feel right, it's not random, it's patterns. And once you understand ease, expression, and elevation, you're gonna stop guessing and you're gonna start dressing with intention, buying less, feel more comfortable. It's just everything makes sense and you enjoy every day dressing up, waking up, seeing your very cohesive wardrobe that works for you and for your lifestyle. At the end of the day, style is not about having better clothes, it's about making better decisions. And if you pay attention to those little mistakes, your wardrobe will transform, I promise you. Remember, you don't need more clothes, you need more awareness and intention. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share with someone that might find it helpful. For now, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Ciao for now.